forever. Go here and move 10 steps and move negative 10 steps. And now if then x position is less than negative 261, then go back to here whoops, this is meant to be negative 260. Now we have our pipe. So I might as well create 3 different pipes. No, it does for later. Next, I'll make it so that it's the Y position of the pipe. Set Y to pick random 261 to negative 261. Now I'll make the pipes to be very long. They aren't long enough. There we go. Now, it's time to make the actual bird, or a cat in this case. When flag clicked forever, make a variable called GRV, which stands for gravity. Set GRV to 0, change the gravity by 0.5, change Y by GRV. When flag clicked, go to position this is now. Goes by negative 0.5. .4. If key space pressed, set GRV to 5. So we're just going to make the scratcher to be able to fly. Uh-oh. Some of these are impossible. Okay, Y is going to be 180 to 5. Whoa. Now, if touching sprite 2, now stop all. Now when this set Y thing works, for our sprite, I'll make a score. Change score by 1. Oh yeah, I just want to set score to 0. also add a background. No. Whatever, I'm just going to use this because I'm lazy. Now I'm going to copy this. Make there to be 2 pipes. X77 Y1. This is X129 Y -7. Whatever. This will be touching sprite 2 or touching sprite 1. This is supposed to be sprite 3. Change the static position to make it not impossible. Make it smaller. Whatever. Finally, I'll make a button. P stands for pressed. Set P to 0. Set P to 1. Then key space pressed. And P equals 0. So now if then not key space pressed, set P to 0. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye. No.